snow days are so nostalgic for me. I remember when I was younger, me and my brother would go out and play in the snow, like when we got really big snows like we have right now. And then we would be like cold and we'd come in and mom would make us hot chocolate. I think it will be better though, because just because then you don't have to extend so many days at the end of the year and cut into people's summer. I like that I can do things with my own schedule and I don't have to worry about like having to get to class on time.